A reading from the book of Leviticus 23, Vayikra 23. And Yahweh spake unto Moshe, saying, Speak unto the children of Israel, and say unto them, Concerning the feasts of Yahweh, which ye shall proclaim to be holy convocations, even these are my feasts. 6 days shall work be done, but the 7th day is the Sabbath of rest and holy convocation. Ye shall do no work therein. It is the Sabbath of Yahweh in all your dwellings. Verse 4. These are the feasts of Yahweh, even holy convocations, which ye shall proclaim in their seasons. In the 14th day of the first month, at even, is Yahweh's Pesach. And on the 15th day of the same month is Hag Magzoth unto Yahweh. 7 days ye must eat unleavened bread. Verse 7. In the first day ye shall have an holy convocation. Ye shall do no servile work therein. But ye shall offer an offering made by fire unto Yahweh 7 days. In the 7th day is an holy convocation. Ye shall do no servile work therein. Verse 9. And Yahweh spake unto Moshe, saying, Speak unto the children of Israel, and say unto them, When ye be come into the land which I give unto you, and shall reap the harvest thereof, then ye shall bring a sheaf of the first fruits of your harvest unto the priests. 11. And he shall wave the sheaf before Yahweh, to be accepted for you. On the morrow after the Sabbath, the priest shall wave it. That is, on the first day of the week. 12. And ye shall offer that day, when ye wave the sheaf, an he-lamb without blemish of the first year, for a burnt offering unto Yahweh. 13. And the meat offering thereof shall be 2 tenth deals of fine flour, mingled with oil, an offering made by fire unto Yahweh, for a sweet savour. And the drink offering thereof shall be of wine, the 4th part of an hin. And ye shall eat neither bread, nor parched corn, nor green ears, unto the self-same day that ye have brought an offering unto your Elohim. It shall be a statute forever throughout your generations in all your dwellings. Verse 15. And ye shall count unto you from the morrow after the Sabbath, from the day that ye brought the sheaf of the wave offering, 7 Sabbath shall ye complete. Even unto the morrow after the 7th Sabbath shall ye number 50 days, and ye shall offer a new meat offering unto Yahweh. 17. Ye shall bring out of your habitations 2 wave loaves of 2 tenth deals. They shall be of fine flour. They shall be baken with leaven. They are the first fruits unto Yahweh. And ye shall offer with the bread 7 lambs without blemish of the first year, and 1 young bullock, and 2 rams. They shall be for a burnt offering unto Yahweh, with their meat offering, and their drink offerings, even an offering made by fire of sweet savour unto Yahweh. 19. Then ye shall sacrifice 1 kid of the goats for a sin offering, and 2 lambs of the first year for a sacrifice of Shalom offerings. And the priest shall wave them with the bread of the first fruits for a wave offering before Yahweh. With the 2 lambs they shall be holy to Yahweh for the priests. 21. And ye shall proclaim on the selfsame day, that it may be an holy convocation unto you. Ye shall do no servile work therein. It shall be a statute forever in all your dwellings throughout your generations. 22. And when ye reap the harvest of your land, thou shalt not make clean riddance of the corners of thy field when thou reapest, neither shalt thou gather any gleaning of thy harvest. Thou shalt leave them unto the poor and to the stranger. I am YAEVE, your Elohim. 23. And YAEVE spake unto Moshe, saying, Speak unto the children of YisraEL, saying, In the 7th month, in the 1st day of the month, shall ye have a Shabbath, a memorial of blowing of teruah, and holy convocation. Ye shall do no servile work therein, but ye shall offer an offering made by fire unto YAEVE. 26. And YAEVE spake unto Moshe, saying, Also on the 10th day of this 7th month there shall be Yom Kippurim. It shall be an holy convocation unto you, and ye shall afflict your souls, and offer an offering made by fire unto YAEVE. And ye shall do no work in that same day, for it is Yom Kippurim, to make an atonement for you before YAEVE, your Elohim. For whatsoever soul it shall be that shall not be afflicted in that same day, he shall be cut off from among his people. And whatsoever soul it be that doeth any work in that same day, the same soul will I destroy from among his people. Ye shall do no manner of work. It shall be a statute forever throughout your generations in all your dwellings. 32. It shall be unto you a Shabbath of rest, and ye shall afflict your souls in the 9th day of the month, at even, from even unto even shall ye celebrate your Shabbath. 33. And YAEVE spake unto Moshe, saying, Speak unto the children of YisraEL, saying, The 15th day of the 7th month shall be Hag Sukkoth, for 7 days unto YAEVE. 35. On the 1st day shall be an holy convocation. Ye shall do no servile work therein. 7 days ye shall offer an offering made by fire unto YAEVE. On the 8th day shall be an holy convocation unto you, and ye shall offer an offering made by fire unto YAEVE. It is a solemn assembly, and ye shall do no servile work therein. These are the feasts of YAEVE, which ye shall proclaim to be holy convocations, to offer an offering made by fire unto YAEVE, a burnt offering and a meat offering, a sacrifice and drink offerings, everything upon his day. 38. Beside the Shabbath of YAEVE, and beside your gifts, and beside all your vows, and beside all your freewill offerings which ye give unto YAEVE, also in the 15th day of the 7th month, when ye have gathered in the fruit of the land, ye shall keep a feast unto YAEVE 7 days. On the 1st day shall be a Shabbath, and on the 8th day shall be a Shabbath. 40. And ye shall take you on the 1st day the boughs of goodly trees, branches of palm trees, and the boughs of thick trees, and willows of the brook, and ye shall rejoice before YAEVE, your Elohim, 7 days. 41. And ye shall keep it a feast unto YAEVE 7 days in the year. It shall be a statute forever in your generations. Ye shall celebrate it in the 7th month. 42. Ye shall dwell in booths 7 days. All that are Yisraeli born shall dwell in booths. I read 42 again. Ye shall dwell in booths 7 days. All that are Yisrael born shall dwell in booths. 43. That your generations may know that I made the children of Yisrael to dwell in booths when I brought them out of the land of Mizraim. I am YAEVE, your Elohim. And Moshe declared unto the children of Yisrael the feast of YAEVE. May YAEVE remember his words, bless the reading, and put it into the hearts of his children. Asher.